We have 4 people that want to embrace Islam, mashallah. I've never witnessed in my entire life a time where more people are embracing Islam. Alhamdulillah. Ashhadu
أشهد
an la
أن لا
ilaha
إله
illa
إلا
illallah
إلا الله
wa ashhadu
وأشهد
anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
Rasul
رسول
Allah.
الله.
I bear witness
I'm your witness
that there is only one God
that there is only one God
and that Muhammad
and that Muhammad
is his final messenger.
is the final messenger.
Allahu Akbar. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is only one God
that there is only one God,
and that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his final messenger.
is the final messenger.
Allahu Akbar. Mashallah. I bear witness
Bear witness
that there is only one God
there is only one God,
and that Muhammad
that's Muhammad,
is his final messenger.
his final messenger.
Allahu Akbar. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is only one God
there's only one God,
and that Muhammad
that is Muhammad,
is his final messenger.
and his final messenger.
Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Congratulations to our new family. Welcome to your new community, to your new home. Alhamdulillah. May Allah bless you all and keep you firm and steadfast and sincere and allow you to see every obstacle through until you reach the highest level of paradise. Ameen. Congratulations. Welcome.